Sanibonani Dumelang. Kunombuzo lana. There's a question that is, it's a question that everyone that is a skeptic of Ubaba Jacob Zuma, or all the people that do not like Ubaba Jacob Zuma, they ask the same question. The question is, number one, what did Jacob Zuma do for 9 years when he was president? And some, they ask it in a different way. They're like, why is it that Jacob Zuma did not do all the things that he is saying now? And my response to that is simple. Firstly, to the first version of the question of what did Jacob Zuma do during his presidency, I think the problem that we have is that the media, the mainstream media, fed us so much junk about Ubaba Jacob Zuma to the point where we became blind to the good things that Ubaba Jacob Zuma was doing. The media fed us so much poison about Ubaba Jacob Zuma to the point where we ended up not wanting to hear anything positive about Ubaba Jacob Zuma. If we can just check, just a little thing in terms of the houses that the Zuma administration built. If we can do closer research, you will find that actually the Jacob Zuma administration is the one that built the most houses for poor people. And that is fact. Even if you can go to the ANC website and search thoroughly, you will find that information. And then the question, they change it, others, they say, Ubaba Ungamalala, why didn't he do all of the things that he is now saying? Again, that question, it's a question that shows the same thing that I said. People were fed so much poison that they never even listened to what Ubaba Ungamalala was saying. Ubaba Ungamalala, as early as 2009, he was already saying the things that he is still saying today about the land, about the economy, about the rural development, about people getting justice for the land that was stolen from them, about many things that he is still saying today, about the uncontrollable crime and all the other things. We just never listened to the man.